So an extra problem from 9.1, day 2, and we're dealing with circles. Just like the last example, we have the endpoints of a diameter at A, 4, 3, and B, negative 2, 7. We want to find the center, the circumference, and the area of the circle. So let's start by finding our center. We know we need to get the midpoint of those 2 points to find our center. Let's do that. I know that 4 plus negative 2 is 2, 2 over 2 is 1, and 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 over 2 is 5. So that would be my center. My center is at 1, 5. Boom. There's 1/3 of the problem that I have done. Now circumference. Remember, there's two ways of finding circumference. Pi times diameter or 2 pi r. Why don't we do pi times diameter? So let's find the distance between A and B. Well, we know that negative 6 squared is 36, and we know that 4 squared is 16. So I end up with, well, 36 plus 16 gives me 52. Now let's ask ourselves, can we simplify the square root of 52? Well, if we think back to probability, we know that a deck of cards has 52 cards and 4 suits and 13 of each card, so that means that 52 can be divided by 4 and we're left with 13. And the square root of 4 is 2, so I end up with 2 root 13. Let's leave it like that. That would be my diameter. Well, if that's my diameter, now we can find out what our circumference is. Our circumference is going to be pi times that diameter. So our circumference will be pi times 2 root 13. We'll write something like that. Now we can plug this into our calculator to get an approximate answer of 22.65. Let's find our area now. Our area formula is pi r squared, remember. So we need our radius. Well, our radius is the same as the diameter divided by 2, so if I take my diameter, which is 2 root 13, and we divide that by 2, I end up with just the square root of 13. So what I'm going to have is pi times the square root of 13 squared. Well, square root of 13 squared is just 13, so I get 13 pi. There's my area. And if I want to do the approximate answer, I plug that in my calculator, which gives me 40.84. And there we have it. We found our center, our circumference, and our area of the circle.